What do we got? Ooh, so that's a heavy extrusion. Light. Ooh, brass. Oh, that's steel. That's brass right there. Oh. All right. Alrighty, onward. Do 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 do. Do do. Okay, I'm gonna have to move the truck up a little bit. Got to move all these batteries. Put them in here to take them to AutoZone and never got there. Huh. Wonder where this net came from. There we go, that'll work. Ooh, another piece of brass. Whew. Doo-doo. All right. Perfect. Ooh, this one's gonna be heavy. Yep. This one's going to be challenging to get up there. Do-do. What stopped me? Alrighty. Got up there without too much of an issue. Hey, look at this net. Doesn't look ripped. I may have to drop that off at the house. Alright, onwards. Do, 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 do. It's extra filled today. A lot of boxes though. Oh, cheers. What is that, a motor? Come on. Right. Do, do. Alright, well, at least we got a motor out of it. Let's go check these other two real quick. Alrighty, onwards. Well, that bike's for them. They lost some keys. Whoa. Ooh, more wire. Stainless. More water. plastic capper. I'll take that. Pretty sure it's a steel tire. Shit, if it is, I'm leaving it. Yep. Alright, onwards. Alright, let's see what we got today. Alright. So, sliding door thing. Huh. iPhone charger or iPod chargers or something. Shaving wax something. Candle holder. Ooh, that smells so bad. Ugh. Yeah, someone threw some personal stuff in here. That's what all this is. Those are recyclable because they're wires. I don't need mitts. It doesn't get cold enough in Florida for me for that. What have we got here? Flashlights. Okay. So those are brand new. I'll keep those in there. Wah, wah, wah. That feels heavy and metal from the outside of this box. Alright, more recyclable stuff. That completely sounded like it shattered. I'll take care of that. I'll look at it in a minute. That's heavy. Oh, yeah. I look in the side. No, but I don't see nothing. Some rotten bananas, that's about it. Alright. Do. Alright, so that's everything. Alright, onwards. I gotta make it quick. Come on. It's a lot of water. Where's that coming from? Alright, I already climbed up there, and no, there ain't nothing else. I just didn't have the camera recording, so onwards. All right, onwards. What do we have here? Oh, plastic. Onwards. So I had to go home and get Jessica because I got stopped for this scrap and this car. So we're gonna take this car today and all this scrap.
Why so much to take scrap out when this car works? Why don't you do the engine?
The engine's already out, he said. But there's one of these at the E&H, so I'll see if E&H, if the engine in that one's any good. Because the transmission, everything's still in it. Find the little lever. See, transmission, catalytic converters, everything other than the engine's still here. So, but they got one just like this but brown at E&H, so we'll ask them. Definitely keep the aftermarket rims. Put those suckers on the Ranger if we don't get the engine. Even if we get the engine, it would be a project car for Jessie for when she goes to the Derby, because she's planning on going when she gets old enough. So she needs a car she could start building. Hold on, I can't hear you. What?
Just spider webs.
It's okay, we'll wipe it all up. But yeah, Jessie's gonna steer as I pull it. Hey, come over here and take this bike out. I'll put the bike in my truck bed. Look at all that aluminum right there. Oh. Whew. And that piece of copper is getting in my way. Pull the back out first. Just set it by my truck. I'll put it in there. That one's got a piece of aluminum in it too. It looks like it.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Front tires low, Jessie. Good thing I only need her to drive the car. She gets so distracted so fast. A trunk.
Dad,
What, baby girl?
teach myself how to do tricks.
Oh, like bunny hops, catwalks, stuff like that. That should be fine for now. Whew. Is that on my window? No. Let me get this last trunk in and oh, where am I going to put this wheelbarrow? Oh, that's a nice little piece of aluminum. It's an automatic. Why did you think it was a stick shift, Jesse? No, look. See the letters?
Yeah.
That means it's automatic. Ooh. I'm gonna throw all this in my dump trailer for tomorrow night. I'm gonna pull this back up and I'll come back for this. Some nice rims though. Take the key right here, Jesse, right in the cup holder, and put it in and see if there's any power to roll down the windows or anything. Turn it. Okay, no, but that should, but you got to keep it turned so the steering wheel's unlocked. I mean, there is a battery, so is the key still in there?
Yeah, it's doing nothing.
Okay.
I think it's just broken.
Well, I mean, it shouldn't do anything, but I was just hoping it would roll down the window so you weren't in the heat. Sure. She asked if the brake should, or it still works. So, hopefully. Wow. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and close this up. Hold the brake, Jesse.
Can you get the bed?
I just grabbed the whole spider. Come on. Push down on the brake. Damn it.
Okay.
No, it's on a roller and I couldn't get it. Hold off the brake, let go of the brake. Here, you need to get out and move that brick when I push backwards. Is there one on this side? Let me make sure. No, so that's the only one. Pull it out.
I can't, it's a brick car.
Here, let me do this. Oh, there's an e-brake on, Jesse. Now you see if I can roll it back some. Look, you got to go down there and grab it with your hand. How is it moving and you can't get it out? Oh, you did move it. Pull it again when I push it back on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Well, that's pretty flat. And so is that one. So that's going to make it even harder. All right. I'm gonna back up till you stay with the car, Jesse. Nope, you have to take this out so it doesn't become a permanent knot I can't get out later. Once you pull it, get tension on it, that little knot's going to become invincible. I did that backwards, huh? Whew. We ain't got far. We only got about 15 miles to pull it. Jesse will do awesome. Oh look, it already ripped. This is going to be fun. Alright, first things first, Jesse, all we're going to do is pull it and you're going to turn that way, and once you get straight, straighten up the wheels, okay?
Alright, are you gonna go slow?
Yes, I'm going to definitely go slow. You have no engine and no way to really stop. Wait, listen, when you're trying to stop, push as hard as you can on the brake and keep pushing up and down until it does stop, okay? And if that don't work, that stick right there, you pull that sucker up as hard as you can. Don't let it hit my truck. Gotta tell this person to go around. See, Jesse's doing good. All right, we'll bring y'all back when we get to the house. All more at home. Jessie did amazing, like I said she would. So, to be honest, we're probably just gonna scrap it, Jessie.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to try to, but we'll find you a derby car that already has an engine.
You eat the web's gone.
But what we will do is once I get it on the trailer, we'll jack it up and keep these rims for the other vehicles. Because they're universal, you can put it on anything that has the width. So, yeah, I think that's going to be it for tonight. They even loaded the inside of this full of scrap for us. So, that'll just be weight. But if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.